Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 50. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 4, and 8. We've got 1 and 8 here, so this is our 4, 1 here, so 8, 1. For this box, we're missing 3, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 3. 9 here, so 5, 9. For this row now, we're missing 4 and 5. I don't see any help. 4, 5, 4, 5. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this column, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 6, 7. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 4. We've got a 2 here, so 4, 2. For this top row, we're missing 3 and 7. I don't see any help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. For this row, we're missing 3 and 9. I don't see any help. So 3, 9, 3, 9. For this row, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 7. No help here. 3, 4, 7. 7 here, so 3, 4. For this row, we're missing 4, 6, 7, and 9. We've got 4 and 6 here, so 7, 9. Six and 7 here, so 4, 9. 6 here, so 4, 7, 9. 4 here, so 6, 7, 9. That means the only place the 6 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 9. We've got 1 and 2 here, so 4, 9. 2 here, so 1, 4, 9. 1 and 2 here, so 4, 9. 1 here, so 2, 4, 9. That means the only place in this row the 1 can be is here, and the only place the 2 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 3, 5, 7, and 9. We've got 3 and 5 here, so 7, 9. 3 here, so 5, 7, 9. 5 here, so 3, 7, 9. And no help here, 3, 5, 7, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, 7, 9. Got the 7 here, so 3, 5, 9. 3 and 5 here, so 7, 9. So the only place in that column the 5 can be is here. And that means the only place the 3 can be is here. And that 3 makes this our 7. And that means the only place in this box the 3 can be is here. That makes this our 9. And our 7. Let's do some cleanup here. We can get rid of this 7. This 9. Oh. This 7 makes this our 9, 7, 5, 4. That 7 makes this our 4, 9, 4, 3, 7. For this box now we're only missing a 3. For this box we're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. That 4 makes this our 5. That 3, 5, and 7 makes this our 9. And the 7 and 9 makes this our 3. For this box now we're missing 4 and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 7, 4. That 4 makes this our 9, 4. And for this box now we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 9 here, so 6 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.